Hello, my name is Judy Howell and I'm a professor here at Big Sandy Community and Technical College. Today we will be talking about plagiarism and the ethical use of information. What does ethical use of information or plagiarism actually mean? If you use information in the form of a quote, idea, or paraphrase from a source, give credit to that source by placing an in-text parenthetical citation. Make sure to add the source to your works cited page. This is ethical use of information. Let's look at this sample below. In this sentence, I have used information from an article. I have put it in quotation marks because it is words as they appeared in the original source, which is a direct quote, and I have given credit by putting the author's last name here. This is ethical use of information. What is plagiarism? Think of plagiarism as using someone else's ideas without permission or giving credit to your source. If you look at my sample sentence, you can see that this information was taken from an article from the Canadian Medical Association Journal. I did not put the author's last name at the end of this sentence, therefore I did not give them credit, and I have committed plagiarism. When should you cite a source? When you paraphrase or summarize information from a book, article, or any other source that did not originate from you. If you highlight something and copy it from an online source, that's a direct quote. Make sure to use your quotation marks and give credit to your source. If you use an exact quote from any source of information, make sure to use your quotation marks and give credit to your source. If you use information from an interview, lecture, or someone tells you something, if you use charts, diagrams, or even a photo from the internet, make sure to cite your source. When don't you need to cite a source? If you did an experiment or original research and are reporting the results. If you are reporting common knowledge, an example of this might be a famous American hero or even holidays. If you're reporting generally accepted facts, an example of this is water freezes at 32 degrees Fahrenheit. If you are stating your opinion, you do not have to give a source citation. In review, ethical use of information is when you give credit to the source where the information was obtained. Giving credit means that you put an in-text citation and you also give credit on your works cited page. Plagiarism is when you do not give credit to the source either in your text or at the end in your works cited page.